In this video, we're going to crochet through the back loop. So unless your pattern states otherwise, you would normally crochet underneath both the front and the back loop here. We're only going to work into the back. So we're going to grab this back loop here, and we are working single crochet. So insert your hook, yarn over, this is commonly used for a ribbed effect. It's going to create these sort of ridges on both sides, and just bring your stitches back a little bit in your work.